Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect Tapswap to Phantom wallet. So let's get into the video. So to do this, firstly open up your Telegram bot. So open up your Telegram and then search for Tapswap bot. So search for the Tapswap bot, open it up, and then when you get to Tapswap bot, so go and start the bot. And then once you've started the bot here, you'll get to this page here. So here on your Tapswap bot, so hit on the task option and then here click on your Phantom wallet. So if you, based on your which version of your bot you're using, so you'll see Phantom option, and so I have the latest version which is Binance, but for you, if you have the Phantom option, select the Phantom option here, select it, and then all you have to do is simply click on start mission. And then once you click on start mission, and then you go to fill these details and hit on submit, and that will connect your Tapswap to your Phantom wallet. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.